Go grab that cord. Bring it over here. Get the cord. Pull it. No, where it's plugged in, grab it there on that end. Now bring it. Now go in the car and push the brakes. Let them off. Flip the turn signal on.
Turn signal on?
Yeah, the turn signal. You know the blinker? Turn it on. It's the left switch right there by the steering wheel. There you go. Now do it the other way. Good. Okay. As you can see, the car runs well. I think it's actually the driver's side turbo that's the worst off. As you can see, it's smoking a little bit. The passenger side is not smoking as much, if at all. And there you go. That's my car.